Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix Voice.ai login problems, app and driver errors step by step clearly. If you're experiencing login problems with the Voice.ai application, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue. First, check your internet connection. Ensure that you are connected to a stable Wi-Fi or mobile data network. If your connection is unstable, try switching to a different network. Next, confirm that the Voice.ai application is up to date. Visit the App Store on your device to check for any available updates. If there is an update, download and install it. Now, restart your device. Sometimes, a simple reboot can resolve various software issues. After the restart, launch the Voice.ai app again. If you are still unable to log in, verify your login credentials. Check for any typing errors in your username or password. If you have forgotten your password, use the password recovery option. Follow the prompts to reset your password. Once you've updated your credentials, attempt to log in once more. If the issue persists, try clearing the app's cache. For Android users, go to Settings, then Apps, find Voice.ai, and select Clear Cache. For iOS users, you may need to uninstall and reinstall the app to clear the cache. After clearing the cache, restart the app and try logging in again. If you're using a Voice.ai driver, ensure that it is properly installed and up to date. Visit the Voice.ai driver support page for installation guidelines and updates. If problems continue, check the official Voice.ai website or social media channels for any service outages. Sometimes, server issues may temporarily affect login capabilities. If none of these steps resolve the issue, consider reaching out to Voice.ai customer support. Document the specific error message you receive when attempting to log in. This information can expedite the troubleshooting process with support. By following these detailed steps, you should be able to identify and fix your Voice.ai login problems. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.